All right, folks, Mark Lux, Deluxe Motorsports. Today we got a freaking gorgeous... Hey, why are you driving by when I'm doing a video? Hey, we got a 2021 Chevrolet Corvette. Brand spanking new, 4 miles. Check this thing out. Would you want to buy a Vette versus the Ferrari? So there's big contemplation. What would you buy? What would you spend your money on? Corvette versus Ferrari. This video is going to explain a little bit about performance, price range. I don't know about y'all, but this is a pretty sick looking car. These cars start off at $60,000. You can literally build this car for 60 grand right off the showroom floor, get all of the exact same performance as this car sits right here. They range anywhere from $59,995 all the way up to, I think, decked out at around 110. The interior in these cars are amazing. All touchscreen display, all digital gauges. You got front trunk capability for storage. You have rear trunk capability for storage as well. The lights at night are freaking unbelievable. This whole outer band runs as a daytime running light, as well as with your headlights. Anyway, what do you guys think of that? Gorgeous car, 2021 Chevrolet Corvette. Now, would you buy this car right here for 70 to 80 to 90 grand? So say you can go from 70 to 90 grand for one of these Corvettes based on options. This is just their standard wheel. This does have the Z51 pack, so there's some stuff that comes along with the Z51 pack. But say average car just like this, 80 grand. 80 grand on this car. Big warranty from Chevrolet. Maintenance, just like any other car. Or would you spend the money and buy like a 360 Ferrari or a base model Ferrari and spend $200,000 or $220,000? I mean, come on, you can buy 3 of these for that price. Anyway, super sick car, dude. I've had the pleasure of driving it for the past couple days. It is freaking amazing top to bottom. A wonderful car to drive. Suspension, steering, handling, everything. This car is exactly what they said it was. 0 to 60 times, 2.8. Quarter mile time, I don't remember. I think it's 11.4 maybe, 11.3, something like that. I don't know. Anyway, 2021 Corvette. What a gorgeous car. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you guys click that subscribe button in the bottom right corner so you guys see more videos of cars just like these coming up for sale. Y'all take it easy. It's your boy Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Hey, Bobby, I told you about driving by my shop like that. Why are you so loud? Anyway, see you guys soon. Mark, Deluxe Motorsports, right here live on the YouTube. Let's go.